How did you get hooked up with Lucas?
It's kind of a crazy story. I was geared up to go on tour with the Smokies, the Little Smokies, and just before that tour, like 2 weeks before the tour, my buddy who's a lead singer called me, and basically he was like, I can't do this anymore. You know, I went from getting ready to go on a big tour to not having a job pretty quickly. And I started praying to God, and basically I was like, just show me the right direction to go, and I will work as hard as I know how to work, and I will tell everybody it was you. I got a text message from Lucas's management, just completely out of the blue. They didn't know that my band just dissolved. Like, they had no idea. But I got this text, and it was from Lucas's management. Said, Jake, you came recommended from a couple different people. We're wondering if you would want to audition for this new band that we're putting together for Lukas Nelson.